And I'm going to explain about Axiata Group Berhad. So Axiata Group Berhad is also known as TM International Berhad. It is a Malaysian multinational telecommunication conglomerate with the extensive operation throughout Asia. So Axiata primary business is international investment holding and the provision of telecommunication and consulting services. From the chart, we can observe that the performance of this stock began with a bullish trend at the beginning of January 2022, then it began a reversal in early April with a bearish trend. We can see how the bullish trend ended in early April when the Bollinger Band began to widen. So this indicates that the trend started to bearish as the Bollinger Band began to widen and continue until July 2022. So as the Bollinger Band widen, it indicates that a market is volatile, which can refer to a price fall or sudden prices rises too. So we can also see the stock price reaching the lowest price at RM2.65 on 6 July and rise to RM7.75 on 12 July. Therefore, investors should hold first as there is no clear signal for investors to sell or buy this stock. On the other hand, there is a sell signal for SMA when the price line is starting to cross the moving average line downwards. So when the price line started to cross the SMA line, it is recommended for investors to sell this stock. Then we can see the MACD indicator give us another signal to sell the stock when the MACD line has crossed below the MACD signals line since 5th April at RM3.73 until 28 June with the price drop to RM2.74. So this can be confirmed as MACD histogram is seen above zero line and begins to converge towards zero line. This is also considered with ROC, where ROC indicator also show a downtrend momentum selling signal where the price started to cross over zero from above on 4th July with the price at RM2.73. However, RSI indicator show a neutral level where the price line is at 50 level, which is a sign with no trend. This sign is not yet clear as the RSI line just reached the neutral level and started to drop to 46.9% on 12 July 2022. Thus, investors should keep on checking this indicator to get any sign of buy or sell this stock. In conclusion, sell is suggested action for this stock. The plan is to wait until the support level of 2.58 cents is reached, then wait for the RSI and Bollinger Band to signal it is okay to proceed. If you still on this stock, you should sell it to stop more losses because the momentum is deteriorating and the price is already rather low. So when it dropped to RM2.58, which is support level, investors are advised to just sell this stock to avoid more losses. I think that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Anya Nadira and I'm going to explain about Bina Darul Aman Berhad stock. First and foremost, it is an investment holding company whose subsidiaries are well known for infrastructure engineering, construction, real estate development and tourism in Kedah. BDB Company was founded on 7 February 1995 and listed on the Bursa Malaysia Main Board on 2nd of February 1996. This company has played an important role in the development of the state's socio-economic agenda, achieving outstanding success in the execution of various projects in Kedah. For BDB stock, there are 5 indicators used to identify the buy-sell signal. The first one is moving average. This simple indicator signifies the traders to get ready to buy because at the end of the trading, the price and the MA indicator move very closely to each other, but the buy signal is not yet confirmed. If the moving average line crosses the price chart from below and offer resistance, the traders should enter a trade. For Bollinger Band, the signal is to buy. This is due to the widening of the band, which signifies the ongoing trend, and followed by the narrow bands that raise a signal for trend reversal on the last day of trading, which is on 13 July 2022. If the traders see the change in price movement going upward and the band is widening again, there is a chance for them to accumulate the profits. Next is the rate of change indicator, or commonly known as ROC. In ROC, the traders should hold and get ready to buy because at first there was a strong momentum that moved above the zero line. Then the ROC lost its momentum and exceeded the zero line at 79 cents and half. This indicates the stock is oversold and the investors should get ready to buy just in case the ROC crossed above the zero line. Other than that, RSI indicator suggests a strong buy signal because the price was at the oversold position, but on 19 May 2022, the price was slowly going upward to cross its oversold zone, but the bearish pattern of the price itself hindered the RSI from crossing above the oversold line. So, the investors should buy the stock. Last but not least is the stochastic indicator. At first, stochastic signaled a few overbought positions that dominate the first 3 months of the year. The price then experienced a bearish pattern until it was at the oversold level. Then, the K line crossed the D line from below to above, indicating the buy signal and uptrend price pattern coming soon. That is all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter, Batrisha.
Assalamualaikum, I am Batrisha and I will explain the next stock, which is Malayan Cement Berhad. So Malayan Cement Berhad is a Malaysia-based investment holding company. Through its subsidiaries, the company is engaged in the production, manufacturing and trading of cement, clinker, ready-mix concrete, aggregates, other building and related products. So here is the graph that shows 5 different indicators. So first of all is the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band has clearly illustrated a downtrend beginning in May 2022 as the previously wide bands began to narrow down. As the Bollinger Band gets smaller, the price is dropping and therefore will reach RM2.40 at the end of February. And as you can see, the stock price crossed over the upper Bollinger Band on early April, indicating a sell signal. However, right before the cut-off date, which is on the 12th of July, the stock price crossed over the lower Bollinger Band, suggesting an oversold market. So next is MACD. So according to the MACD indicator, the MACD line has not crossed over the MACD signal since April 24th. And although after having a brief sell signal on April 24th, the MACD indicator gave a buy signal on June 26th when the MACD line crossed over the MACD signal. Next is ROC. So in the graph, ROC is represented by the green line. The ROC line is below zero as of the closing date of July 12, 2022. It signifies that the stock is oversold, which gives investors the green light to buy the stock. So next is RSI, and according to the graph, the RSI line is declining and is expected to surpass the oversold line, which is the 30%. So this indicates that it is better to hold and wait until the RSI crosses the overbought or oversold line to determine the decision. So last but not least is stochastic. So it is obvious from the stochastic indicator, it is a buy signal. This is because the stochastic line has definitely crossed the 20% region. That area is seen as an oversold area. So this means that the price is dropping and is reaching the support area, which signifies the investors this is the best time to buy the stock. So all in all, for the last trading day for this stock is on the 12th July 2022, and according to the graph as well as the indicators, we can advise the investors for the short term to buy Malayan Cement Berhad stocks in order to not incur any major losses. So that is all from us. Thank you.